Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete everything in Google Drive. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, go to the Google Drive application. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Here are 2 folders that I want to delete. But if you only want to delete one, tap on that image. Then, tap on the 3 horizontal dots on the right side of the screen. This screen interface will be shown on your device. If you scroll down, you can locate the Remove option. Tap on it. It will ask to move it to the trash, and remember, this folder will be deleted forever within 30 days. Tap on Move to Trash to delete. However, if you're here to delete everything in Google Drive, keep pressing on the folder for a while. Then, it will ask to select. Since there are only 2 folders on my drive, I'm selecting only 2 folders. If there are more folders on your drive, you have to select all the files. Now, tap on the 3 horizontal dots on the right side. You can see the Remove option. Tap on Remove. As you can see, these 2 files will be deleted permanently after 30 days, and collaborators will also lose access to that folder. Tap on Move to Trash to delete everything. Here, you can see my drive is empty, and everything has been deleted on this drive. So, this is how you can easily delete everything in Google Drive. If you found this tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell so you won't be missing any updates from us. See you in the next video. Till then.